Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Q19 to 50% or more and turn it on, because low battery can interrupt pairing. On your phone, install the Q19 companion app and enable Bluetooth and location so the app can discover the watch. Open the app, create or sign into your account if prompted, then choose Add Device. Once done, tap Start Scan in the app while the watch displays pairing mode so the phone can see it. This initiates the connection process. After the phone detects the Q19, select it from the device list and compare any pairing code shown on both screens. You must confirm that code so the devices trust each other. Make sure to grant the app required permissions for notifications, contacts, and health data. These let calls, alerts, and step tracking work properly. If the companion app suggests a firmware update, allow it. Updates fix bugs and improve stability, and without them, some features may not sync reliably, so update now for best results. To finish, verify that time, language, and watch face settings matched your preferences, and test incoming calls and notification forwarding to ensure the bridge works. Check that steps, heart rate, and other health data are syncing into the app. Sync may take a minute after initial pairing. If something fails, restart both the watch and phone, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and try repairing. If that does not help, reset the watch to factory settings and repeat the pairing steps. This resolves most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.